Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a product code using left, right and upper functions in Tableau. To create this product code, I will use these dimensions product ID, category and subcategory, and I will extract first 4 characters from category and I have converted it to uppercase, and then I have added a hyphen after this. Then I have extracted first 4 characters from subcategory and I have converted it into uppercase and I have added a hyphen. Then I have extracted last 8 digits from this product ID. Okay, then I have created this product code. Okay, so first I will remove everything from this row shelf, and I will also delete this product code, and I will do from scratch. Okay, so click on delete. So now create a calculated field. To create a product code, click on create calculated field and I will name it as product code. Okay, so I will use left function which will return the specified number of characters from the start of the given string. Okay, so the syntax is I need to give a string and number of characters. So as a string I will give category, and then I want first 4 characters from category, so I will give 4. Then I will concatenate it with hyphen. I can use single quotes also, hyphen, and I will use this left function. Then as a string I will give subcategory, so I want to get first 4 characters from subcategory, so I will give 4. Then I will concatenate with the hyphen plus I will give now right function. So this right function returns a specified number of characters from the end of the given string. So it is like from right side it will give 8 digits from product ID. So as a string I will give product ID and I want 8 digits from product ID. Okay, so first I will click OK. Then I will keep this product ID in row shelf, click on add all members. Then I will keep category in row shelf. After this I will keep a subcategory. At last I will keep this product code which we have created. So this is the product code which we have created newly. So I want to convert these lower cases to uppercase, so that edit this product code calculated field, click on this drop down and click on edit to edit the calculation. So now I will wrap this left function in brackets and I will convert this to uppercase using upper function. Okay, so what this upper function is going to do is, so it will convert a text to all uppercase letters, and I will wrap this one also. Then I will use upper function. Then click on OK. Now the newly created product code is with uppercase letters and last 8 digits from product ID. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.